Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about roller sleeves, and at the end of this video you'll hopefully have an understanding of the correct roller sleeve to use for your paint project. I'm Dan Frost from H.D.F. Painting, the fine art of painting, and this is Talk Shop with Frost. Okay, so let's begin with the types. Okay, there is the most popular nylon polyester roller sleeve. There's also the less popular, but I'll tell you what it's used for, the mohair. And then we have the sponge rollers. So generally when you're thinking about using a roller sleeve, you have to consider the surface you're painting it on, whether it's rough or smooth. Whether it's oil-based or latex. With the synthetic polyester blend roller sleeve, you can use that with oil or latex. With the foam roller, it's better to just use it with oil. And with the mohair, you can use it with oil and you can use it with latex. Okay, so let's talk about the surfaces and the thickness of the roller sleeve. If you're going to use, if you're going to paint a really textured surface like stucco, exterior stucco, or interior stucco ceilings or walls, you want to use a fairly thick roller. You can actually even go to 3/4 inch. You can also try a 1/2 inch. All right, so that's for textured surfaces. For smoother surfaces like a wall, you want to use the 3/8 inch roller sleeve right here. We like to use the arrow-worthy 3/8 inch nap. The soft part here is called the nap. Or you can use 3/16. And the difference is you want to put it on really thin with the 3/16. If you put it on too thick, you get sort of an orange peel look, and that's what you want to keep away from. Now, if you have a semi-gloss or a satin on trim, you want to use a really fine roller sleeve, like a 1/4 inch. If you use, say, an acrylic semi-gloss or satin trim, you can either use the 3/16 roller, or you can use these little mini rollers that are 3/8 inch. Okay? Now, the length of the roller sleeve is important also. Smaller, they come in 4-inch smaller roller sleeves, and those are used for trim when you're doing doors, baseboards maybe. That's what those are used for. You can get those mini rollers in a 6-inch, okay, and the handle for that is a thin handle roller sleeve like this, a handle like this, and that's for the 4-inch or the 6-inch. They also come in 9-inch lengths, which you use for rolling on walls and rolling on ceilings. Now, some of the commercial painters and the professional painters will use an 18-inch roller, but for the homeowner, I'd stay away from that. It's a little bit more cumbersome. So you want to go with a 9-inch roller sleeve that goes with a handle like this. Now, the next part is taking care of your roller sleeve after you finish the job. So say you've rolled your walls and you have a roller sleeve on your handle that's all wet, okay? And you want to use it, save it for another day. You can only probably save it for 1 or 2 days. What we like to do is we like to save the cover, okay, of the roller sleeve and just slip it back on. You might get a little paint on you, but you can use gloves. Slip it back on the roller, and then take your handle that you used when you were rolling the ceiling or wall and gently tap it, and that roller will come off. And you want to make sure you secure the plastic, put a little tape on it, and you have your roller all ready for use for another day. So here's a couple painter's tips. All right, when you first take a new roller sleeve out, sometimes it loses a little bit of its fur on the first coat. So what you might want to do is dip it in water if you're using latex, and take your 5-in-1 blade and just clean it out. Okay, clean it out like that. All right, and that'll get rid of any of the little burrs on it. The other thing is, once you've finished with your roller and you have paint all over it, take your 5-in-1 and clean out the roller into your bucket. You'll be amazed how much paint you still have left in the roller. Okay? And then you're all set. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is Dan Frost from H.D.F Painting, the fine art of painting, and this is Talk Shop with Frost.